So today, let's learn how to build a subwoofer cabinet. So this one is 24 by 24 inches. I believe you can see the dimension here, 24 by 24. So you cut 4 pieces of it. Mind you, based on the dimension of what you want to use, but based on my own design, I have 4 of this, which is 24 by 24. So you have 4 pieces of that. Then you cut. This is another one. This one is 22.5 by 24 in inches, not centimeter, in inches. Okay, so you have 2 of these. So for the front and also the other one for the back. So let's continue. So now let's have the 4. So this is what we will use for the 4 shape. The 4 corner of it is what we'll be using. So test strong your cutting which is accurate. Put it by the edges. This is a plywood, a 3/4 quarter inch. So do it to check is accurate. This side is accurate. Okay, this is good. So let me press the other side, which is for the top. It should be accurate too. So let's start. Since we don't have any issue, let's get started. So the first thing to do is this. Those 4 shapes you want to do, so drill some hole. So let's put this one down. Okay, so that'll be, let me get something to brace. This here. Okay, so look, let the neat side be out. Okay, so this side is more neater. So doing it this way. Let's do it this way. Okay, this is more better. Let's put this in. Okay, so set it where everything is very neat. So you can see, so ensure how the edges is right, check it very well before you proceed. Okay. Alright, so since that is okay, so take your drill, get a drill bit like this, because I'll be using screw, the long one, you understand, that's 2 inches. So first thing I need to do is, I don't want my nail to be rough here, so I need it to enter inside. So do some marking. Mark a point like this. So I want like 4 of it on it, so it will be very firm. Need another one here. Need another one around here also. Good. So we are not putting the screw yet. Don't worry, we'll still use gum also. That's just for the drill on the bolts to be able to. Not too much. Good. That 4 is okay. So now let's get our gum ready. So this is our top. So this is the drum we'll be using. Let's get a strong stick or anything that I use to apply. Still actually neat and new, that's why. Don't manage when it comes to gum. Try to be very, very strong. it well. Show it very fast. Okay. So get your screw bit. So I'll use the 4 screw I want now, which is here. So let's start. So with that. Good. 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 So this is really fun now. Okay. So now we can just hit it so it will be long. So that it will lock well on. So it is better now. Good. So the next thing you have to do is the other side, which is there now. So you go with on this side now. Let's approach it. I'll go on again. And monitor. Adjust it till it is perfect. Let me turn to the side you'll be seeing. Okay. You can see it very, very accurate. So when doing your measurements, ensure you do due diligence here. Okay. So let's mark those points where we want to tie it up. I need one here. I need one around here. I need one here. I need one here too. Okay. everything okay. So this looks very good now. So next thing to do is take this and lock it down. You understand? But before we do that, then once you do this, you are good to go. But before we do that, we have to do the back side, which is this. As you can see it, you can see the way it's locking up. So this is very, very perfect. So this is perfect. The screw at the down here, I want to adjust it a bit to just shift just a few centimeter or millimeter. Okay, fortunately, that's good broke. So let's adjust from this side. Let's see, yeah, you should be able to shift the side. So let's put it in, let's see. Good. It's adjust, we just a few millimeter shift for it to lock well, so it will be very, very airtight. So the best thing to do now is to just put our gun around it, although we'll still drill all our various holes. But drilling it is very simple. Since we'll be using a jigsaw, we can drill it on it and it will not affect, okay? So what I'm going to do now is to apply my gum. I want to put a gum on all the sides. So once it comes to this, don't manage, okay? Don't manage at all. See, the essence of the gum is to make it seal and make everything very, very firm. Okay, that's the essence. So this will be the back side. So let's start with the first side. Okay. Let's use our screw now. So let me turn it to the direction you can see. So ensure everything is very good. Let me turn because the other side is very smooth. So I want the smooth side outside, so I don't have to do many feeling. So let's do the downside also. Let's put it at another position. That is better. Okay. So, the reason why I stopped this is it was not very straight, so I have to stop it so it will not bust the wood. Don't worry, you're going to cover out this area. Okay, so it's very firm now. Let's move to the back side. Same 5 inches here now. So this must lock together also. So we're doing that now. But before we do that, it's good to settle the back to the downside of it. So there you guys set. So let's first settle this side.